Hello everyone, welcome to online maths classes. In previous video, we solved up to third problem in exercise 4.4. In this video, we are going to solve from fourth problem. Let us see the fourth problem. In the adjacent figure, BE perpendicular to DA, BE perpendicular to DA and CD perpendicular to DA, CD perpendicular to DA. Then prove that measure of angle 1 equal to measure angle 3. So what you have to prove? These two are congruent. That means these two are equal. So let us see. So what is given from figure? BE perpendicular to DA and CD perpendicular to DA. BE perpendicular to DA, CD perpendicular to DA. These two are perpendicular to DA. If two lines are perpendicular to another line, then the two lines are parallel. Therefore, BE parallel to CD. Okay, if any two lines are perpendicular to another line, then these two lines are parallel. Therefore, BE parallel to CD. And these two are parallel and DB is the transversal. DB is the transversal. So observe these two angles. How these two are? They are like this. These two are, this is the transversal. So this is 1 and this is 3. These two are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 3. That is, BD is the transversal. Therefore, angle 1 equal to, that is measure of angle 1 equal to measure of angle 3. Since alternate interior angles. Okay. That is asked in the question. So measure of angle 1 equal to measure of angle 3. Next, fifth one. Okay, fifth one is find the values of x comma y, x, y, for which the lines AD and BC became parallel. AD and BC are parallel. So what is given? AB parallel to CD. And these two are parallel. AD and BC. They are like this. AD and BC. And AC is the transversal. This is the transversal. Let us observe these two. This is this angle C and it is the 30 degrees. These two are corresponding angles. So that I am writing. So AC is the transversal. Okay. Therefore, x minus y equal to 30 degrees. Since corresponding angles. So let us take as first equation. Next, these two are parallel. AD and BC are parallel. And this is the transversal. What is that? This is the transversal. They are like this, parallel. And this is the transversal. So this angle, that is this 5y and 2x. These two are alternate interior angles. 5y and 2x are alternate interior angles. AD parallel to BC and we are taking AB as is the transversal Therefore, 2x equal to 5y since alternate interior angles. And x equal to, can write 5 by 2 y. So substitute x equal to 5 by 2y in first equation, in this equation. So that will become 5 by 2y minus y equal to 30. So it is, by taking y as common, we'll get 5 by 2 minus 1 equal to 30. This is by 1. By 1. So y into 2 1 LCM is 2. 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5, minus 1 into 2 2, 1 into 2 2. That is 30. Y into 5 minus 2, 3 by 2 equal to 30. And y equal to 30. Taking right side, it will become 2 by 3. Reciprocal. 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30, y equal to 10 2s are 20. So then substitute y equal to 20 in first equation. So what is the first equation? X minus y equal to 30. X minus y is 20 equal to 30. That is x equal to 30 minus 20 will become plus 20. So x equal to 50. So x equal to 50, y equal to 20. Okay, these are the x and y values. Next, sixth question is, one is find the value of x and y in the figure. So this is the figure. In that you have to find x and y. So from figure, let us take A, B, C, D, and it is E. What are given? Angle C equal to 30 degrees, angle ABE equal to 140 degrees, angle CAD equal to x degrees, angle CBA equal to y degrees. So here, these two are linear pair. What are those? Angle ABC plus angle CBE equal to 180 degrees since linear pair. Linear pair. That is ABC it is. ABC. ABC and CBE, these two are linear pair. So this is y plus 140 equal to 180 degrees. So y equal to 180 minus 140. So that is 40 degrees. Y equal to 40. So this is 40. Okay. This is the exterior angle. This is exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. That means angle CAD equal to angle C plus angle CBA. CBA. Since exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, therefore CAD equal to angle C plus angle CBA. That is angle CAD. What is the CAD? X equal to angle C 30 degrees plus CBA. CBA equal to CBA Y. What is the y? 40 degrees. So 40, that is x equal to 70 degrees. X equal to 70 degrees, y equal to 40 degrees. Okay, this is sixth one. Next to seventh one is in the given figure, segments shown by arrowheads are parallel. Find the values of x and y. Okay, these arrowhead segments are parallel. Then find the values of x and y. Let it name as A, B, C, D and E. So from figure, what are given? Angle B equal to 30 degrees, angle D equal to 45 degrees, angle E equal to x degrees, angle ACE equal to y degrees. These two we have to find. So here these two are parallel, AB parallel to CD, and this is the transversal, BE is the transversal. Therefore these two angles are, how they are? Both are interior and they are either side of the transversal. Therefore they are alternate interior angles. What we taken? AB parallel to DE and BE is the transversal. Therefore angle B equal to angle E, since alternate interior angles. So here, what is the B? 30. What is the E? X. Therefore x equal to 30 degrees. Next I am taking triangle CDE. Triangle from triangle CDE. CDE is a triangle. DC is extended to A. Therefore y is the exterior angle and these two are opposite interior angle to y. So therefore angle ACE equal to, that is exterior angle, equal to sum of opposite interior angles, that is angle D plus angle E. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So here angle ACE. What is angle ACE? AC is y equal to angle D 45 degrees plus angle E x. What is the x? 30 degrees. So y equal to 75 degrees. So therefore x is 30 degrees and y equal to 75 degrees. Okay, this is seventh one. So in next video we will do remaining. Thank you one and all.